had a genius idea before, right? Something so good, it could change minds. But a week later, no one remembers it, not even you. Here is the truth no one tells you. The best ideas doesn't always win. The stickiest ones do. You gave a presentation, you explained the logic, the data and the details, but nobody cares. Meanwhile, Sharath told one random story and everyone remembered it. Why? Because Sharath was sticky, yours wasn't. Not because it was better, but because it was built right. Researchers Chip and Dan had studied why some ideas survive while others vanish. They found 6 ingredients behind every sticky idea. It's called success framework. And no, that's not a typo. Let's break it down with the real examples, not theory. Here is the first ingredient, simple. It's like a salt. Sticky ideas are simple, not dumb. Simple like a laser beam. Just do it. Think once. A bird in hand is worth 2 in bush. One idea, one sentence, cut the fluff, speak to the gut. The next one, unexpected. What gets attention? Not noise, not facts. Surprise. Start with the unexpected and break the pattern. Make people say, wait, what? Then you have a chance to teach. The next, concrete. Abstract ideas float. Concrete ideas stick. Don't say, we empower productivity. Say, we help you finish work by 5 p.m. People don't remember jargon. They remember images, actions, specifics. Here is the main one, credible. Do you want trust? Then earn it. You can show data, use expert quotes, or let the audience test it themselves. Like this, you are more likely to die from a falling coconut than a shark attack. Shocking, right? Now you will never forget it. That's memorable credibility. Fifth one, emotional. We act when we feel. Don't sell statistics, sell emotion. Wanted to save tigers? Don't say there are 3,900 left. Tell the story of one cub separated from its mother. Like Mother Teresa said, if I look at the mass, I will never act. If I look at the one, I will. Here is the last one, stories. Stories are the oldest, stickiest tool in the human history. They transport people, they teach through feeling. To teach the teamwork, tell the story of failed mission where no one spoke up. Wanted to inspire courage, tell the story of kid who stood up to a bully. Story beats the slogan, always. Two kids once died after Halloween. People thought strangers have poisoned their candy. The truth, one overdosed on his uncle's heroin and the other was killed by his own father for insurance money. The myth is poisoned the candy, which is very sticky because it was scary, simple, unexpected, concrete, emotional, and it has a story. That's success in action, terrifyingly effective. Let's recap. Want your ideas to stick? Make them simple, unexpected, concrete, credible, emotional, and it should be in your story format. This isn't a theory, it's a toolkit. Use it in your videos, your job, your life, because people forget noise, but they never forget what moves them. Your idea might be spark someone else's needs, but only if they remember it. So don't just speak louder, speak stickier. If this helped even one of your ideas feel more alive, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. We are here to build messages that doesn't just inform, they transform. This is Think Once.